In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Jira projects to Microsoft Excel. Exporting your Jira projects can help you analyze and manage your data more effectively by leveraging Excel's data manipulation and visualization tools. First, let's navigate to Jira. Open your web browser and go to your Jira dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account, or else you may have trouble accessing your projects and the export feature. Once you are within the Jira interface, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll spot the Filters tab. Go ahead and click on this. Filters in Jira are incredibly useful for organizing and accessing your work items quickly. They help you focus on the specific data you want to manage or export. With the Filters panel open, you should click on the Open Work Items option. This will display the issues or projects that are currently active and need your attention. Next, you need to locate the Project tab also positioned in this interface. Clicking on it is a critical step since it determines the contents of your export. Your Jira projects contain valuable information, so selecting the correct one is crucial for ensuring that you export only the data you need. Now that we're within the project view, you'll see a list of all projects. Select the specific project you intend to export by clicking on it. Be precise here to ensure that you're working with the correct project data. This action will direct you to that project's detailed view. At this stage, you need to focus on the top right corner of the screen. Here, there's an export button waiting for you to click. The export feature provides multiple options, so make sure you select the appropriate one based on your needs. We're going to opt for the Excel CSV All Fields Export option. This is generally a smart choice because it captures all your project data fields, providing a comprehensive snapshot of your Jira project that you can manipulate in Excel later. After clicking on the Export Excel CSV All Fields option, the export process will commence. This step essentially downloads the selected project's data onto your device in a CSV format, which stands for comma-separated values. Excel can readily open and format CSV files, allowing you to analyze and organize your data more efficiently. That wraps up the process of exporting your Jira project to Microsoft Excel. Remember, working with Excel can give you powerful insights into your project data through its analytical tools, charts, and graphs. Don't forget to save your file in a secure location to prevent any data loss. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your project management process more streamlined and effective. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.